Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of Kia Optima 3. Kia Motors Corporation is a 75-year-old Korean multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Seoul. The Kia Sorento is a popular midsize SUV sold by Kia. In spite of its popularity, the Sorento has recently fallen prey to several complaints of severe engine issues. Meanwhile, the Kia Optima is a sedan that features new technology and impressive amenities. However, in spite of possessing a reliable reputation in the market, the Optima has faced numerous complaints regarding engine failure issues. The majority of the owners' complaints for Kia Optima and Sorento vehicles are engine defects, that buzzing sounds, engine failure, knocking sounds, and more. In both Optima and Sorento, engine defects are persistent problems that don't have easy solutions. Causes of engine failure are vast. Typically, they're categorized into four groups: overheating, misassembly, lubrication, and detonation issues. Unfortunately, many Optima and Sorento owners find that Kia's dealerships are unable to timely fix their vehicles and their engines prematurely fail. Kia owners commonly complain of vehicle stalls and strange noises before their engines completely fall apart. For instance, one owner of 2017 Kia Sorento described the issue as follows: "I leased a 2017 Kia Sorento EX V6 AWD on February 23, 2017. Within 2 weeks and less than 500 miles, there's a buzzing sound on start up that lasts for 5 minutes or so. The dealer, I took it to 2 days to diagnose the problem. The oil pump failed, the engine was full of metal pieces. The fix replaced the engine. This is the fourth Kia I have owned, and it may be the last. I have contacted Kia customer support and they were not much help." Besides the issue discussed about, the Kia Optima has faced some serious engine reliability issues. Several of the complaints against the Optima mention excessive oil consumption, strange smoke from the tailpipe, and sudden stops. A user of the Optima 2016 model stated, "I was driving my car 2016 Kia Optima from Alpharetta to Decatur to attend church. I pulled into the park lot at the church and parked. A few seconds after I parked, I began seeing lots of smoke coming from the right passenger side of the car. The policemen who were in the parking lot directing traffic asked me to get out of the car quickly and began attempting to quench the fire with a fire extinguisher." Another complaint against the same 2016 model was placed by another user. "My daughter's 2016 Kia Optima is shutting off while driving. Sometimes it restarts after shutting down. Sometimes she has to hurry and put on neutral and restart as cars behind me don't know the car she has shut off. She feels very unsafe and is afraid someone is gonna run into her. Took it to a Kia dealer and they ran codes, but nothing came up. These issues can be extremely dangerous if not looked into at the right time. Have you been noticing any severe or unrepaired engine issues with either your Kia Optima or Sorento, such as sudden stalls, excessive smoke, loud noises, or other problems? CCA team of experienced lawyers are here to guide you and help resolve your lemon law issues expeditiously and for a substantial settlement. Please feel free to reach out to us for a free, hassle-free consultation regarding your vehicle." Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.